Welcome to our video guide tailored for hospitality businesses using Docket. In this guide, we'll discuss the intricacies of the food revenue line items as detailed in the Uniform System of Accounts for the Lodging Industry (USALI) report in Docket. Whether you're managing a busy hotel restaurant, a cozy spa cafe, or any food service within a hospitality setting, this video will cover the core aspects of food revenue reporting. Venue food revenue includes sales of food and non-alcoholic beverages in and from specific dining areas on the property. Venues include restaurants, lounges, bakeries, snack shops, pool areas, spas, fitness facilities, and golf courses. Takeout revenue associated with a particular service venue should be recorded as part of the business activities of the venue. Banquet rooms, guest rooms, and group functions outside the property are not considered venues. The in-room dining food revenue refers to sales of food and non-alcoholic beverages that are delivered to guests in their rooms. This can also include sales that require delivery to other areas within the hotel or outside, such as to nearby condominiums. On the other hand, group sales of food ordered from and served by the banquet, conference, catering department and delivered to guest rooms/suites or outside locations are classified as banquet, conference, catering food revenue. Banquet, conference, and catering food revenue includes sales of food and non-alcoholic beverages in a property's banquet rooms and for group functions outside the property. The banquet designation is used for sales related to groups of guests occupying guest rooms, while catering sales are related to groups of guests who are not occupying guest rooms. Banquet, conference, and catering food revenue also includes sales from food services performed by the banquet, conference, and catering department in a guest room/suite. Revenue from the mini bar includes sales of packaged food and non-alcoholic beverages such as candy, snacks, bottled water, and soft drinks that are placed in the guest room. Other food revenue includes sales of consumable food and non-alcoholic beverages that are not classified as venue, in-room dining, banquet/conference/catering, or mini bar revenue. Total food revenue is calculated by summing venue food, in-room dining food, banquet/conference/catering food, mini bar food, and other food revenue. Thank you for joining us in exploring the food revenue section of the USALI report. Remember, understanding these details is crucial for the effective financial management of your hospitality business.